Online tools, customize your HTML table. No need to type or paste anything, just need to select the drop-down menu options to create a customized HTML table. In the Table Style section, you can select your color, theme and highlight option. Then select the number of columns and rows. You can also choose the option to add a placeholder or not. In the end, click on the Generate Code button. Within a second you will see your generated HTML source code with the table. Select it and then copy and paste to your website's source. If you click the button Clear, it refreshes the page and the tool ready for the next entry. For more awesome tools, please visit eternitech.com/online tools.